What a go on? It's your boy JDH with yet another video. People versus nature. Crazy outdoor fails. Tell me that's not an intriguing title. Let's get into it. Ooh. Wait, what? Is that nature or fireworks? Which one is it? That sounds like thunder. I don't even know. But it's oh.
La manta de agua que está entrando ahora mismo.
Oh, bro. Recently, Jamaica got some big waves, but that is nothing compared to this at all. Not recently, but I think last month or the month after last month. I don't remember. But that's nothing compared to this at all. Bro, and I learned that them bitches can take down a building. Like, literally. That's crazy. That boy's right there. What the holy smokes? How did a rat reach there and you did not freak out? Not one bit. Or, I mean, the clip was... Bro, I hate rats, bro. That one made my skin crawl. Oh, and I bet it's freezing.
Oh my gosh, look.
That's crazy. Bro, I don't mess with the ocean. Oh, I thought it shocked him. I thought the dude was lying on the ground, knocked. That's, bruh. That's so crazy, dude. That's so crazy. Bro, man. That's crazy. Bro, nature will show you that he is the boss. Like you cannot top me at all. Nature will show you if he got to, or if she got to. You see him? Goof. Bro, that's not even nature. That's just the pool fruit that froze over by nature, but shut up. He did that on purpose. Bro, I'm pissed at this lady. What's wrong with her? The wildfires are very scary. Very scary. That's what, probably an earthquake. But the thunder and the lightning is the scariest one. Yeah, I knew it. It's the scariest one.
Ma stai dentro.
Common, quick.
Oh my god, bro. Oh.
Yes.
Is that a spider? What the? Or probably a grasshopper. I have no idea. That guy was enjoying his noodles. Whatever that is that happened, ruined it. I've never seen one of those in person. That's actually cool. Holy smokes. Holy smokes.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh,
Oh, that's not
Is
nice,
that the wind?
Launch right into the post.
That's crazy.
Alah, nangusog na siya, oh. So, grabe. Nangusog siya. Hop! Oh! What?
How is that not don't mess with nature type of vibe? I guess it's like showing you how powerful they are. Bro, the wind is also scary because that bitch can lift you up if it's strong enough. Bro, the lightning be the scariest one.
Oh my god! Sean! Sean, no! You broke the window!
Look at him go! He's so pretty! Sonny! Sonny! Sonny just swallowed the turtle!
Bro, that dog cheeses me. Bro, when the drains are backed up and nothing cannot go down, it be the most stressful thing in history. I mean, it's not the most stressful thing in history, but I'm just saying, bro, it's a lot of cleaning and to get the drain to, like, bro, that's stressful. Is that rain, my guy? Why are those drops so big? Bro, I'm tired. This is kind of too bright, huh? Let me see what I can do, Sir Skis. A little bit better. A little bit better. A little bit better. A little bit better. Insurance. I guess I'm getting a new one. I would too. Talking about. Oh, what's wrong with this? Bro, I hate rats. The fact that they're not that scared. Look at that shit, bro. Bro, I hate them so much. Bro, I hate rats. I can't stand these creatures, bro. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. Holy. Bro, Bro, ads, please, give us a break, If my ads pop up and by chance, please watch it, please and thank you. Oh, that I would not go near there at all.
Ooh.
Ooh, this guy is redonkulous. Stupid. But what is that? Is that what you call hail, or what you call? Why are the why is snowballs falling out the sky, my guy? Like what? Goof. That was funny. Piss. He's vexed. I'd be too. And I'd be running from right here where these people are. Like this is coming here. It's definitely coming down there. You can sit there and wait. And we're still standing there. Goof. The adrenaline junkies stresses me out, bro. Bro, this guy pisses me off. What?
Come here, bear.
Come here, beer. Yeah, eh? Bro, we be so scary, dog. What the? Wait, what? No, that person dead. Bro, no, is that a truck or what? And why is the wind that strong? No way that person survived. I mean, he did survive for YouTube's sake. He survived. But what the hell? I did not even see what happened here.
Getting real.
What, earthquake? Probably an earthquake. Yeah. Oh, that's hard, but at the same time, that's not good at all. But nature did that, that's hard. Bro, bears are just big and scary, huh? But so cuddly at the same time. They look so soft and cuddly, but so scary. I saw a post of... I think I saw a post on Instagram showing how tall a bear can really get. Like, how tall they are compared to humans. Bro, and I tell you, them polar bears, holy.
How's the conditions?
I can't hear you.
How are the conditions today?
Oh, they're really good. I'm about to go get some waves.
Yeah, go ahead. You probably freeze to death.
Oh my! Did you see that?
That's not even funny because I'd be stressed. Bro, I hate when rain falls for this specific reasons. Lightning and thunder. I hate it just for that reason. Just for that reason. I'm not lying. And it be making light go away, so obviously, and Wi-Fi be cutting off too. So, and nigga ain't got no data on their phone, you be stressed. It's so messed up how much we need the internet nowadays. It's crazy. that's a big whale. Oh, bro, is that on a ship or what? I'd be stressed if it was. I'd be so stressed. Bro, he got stuck. Imagine if that crowd was very serious.
I don't know what you guys have going on, but this is my house. And
What the?
oh my god!
More earthquakes again? The fact that nature can do that, rip a whole tree out the ground, bro, it's crazy. Lightning again? I know. What? Oh wait, was that like a tornado? I wasn't. I thought it was a dark cloud. I'm not lying. Landslide. Oh, that's a big ass snow. What you call it? Surfboard. I wouldn't jump on it, but yeah, that looks, yeah. I probably would jump on it and jump off, but this video is all about not playing with nature. I'm not, so I probably wouldn't. You know, in the context of this video. Ooh!
Oh. Oh my god, everything's really flying around. Woo!
Please hold that fan before it breaks off. Please, please, please. I guess it's an earthquake, so you're not worried about holding no damn fans. He's talking about, wow, I'd be stressed. Shout out to Adrenaline Junkies once again. If I were you, I would not move. No time to mess this car up.
That is nuts. Oh, these people better get moving.
Look at the falling out of the sky. That's what that is. I was like, look at it, honey. The branches freaking from the thing. It's pulling them up in the air. We might have to go.
Yeah.
I saw big trees falling.
Look at that water spout.
Pra fora, bicho burro. Que susto! Ele quer entrar de qualquer
What's
jeito.
wrong with him? Like, this is not your crib, my guy. Ants? Is that ants? Why is he? Oh, it looked like fire ants too. Wait, I doubt it, because he'd be stressed if it was. Is that nonce? I have no idea what that is. He's stressing. I've never experienced nothing of the sort but some thunder and waves, but not as big as what I'm seeing right here. Thunder and lightning. That's scary, but that's hard at the same time. That's tough. Thor is coming down from the sky. That nigga got his hammer up. and you're driving towards it. I heard that people chase what you call it, tornadoes? You got people that chase them and follow them and shit. Man, I'd rather stay in the house. Imagine the engine just shut off. I promise you wouldn't be laughing then. You'd be so stressed. Lightning. I bet you it is. Lightning. I guess not.
It rains in New York City. You can
That's not rain, my guy.
Oh my God.
Peacocks are so majestic, bro.
Coming around, coming around. Coming this way.
Yeah.
Okay, Baptist, get the pedal.
Get the pedal? I thought you guys were on a motorboat. What pedal? If he jumps out in that bitch now, what you going to do? Exactly. Stress. Stressed. I'd be so stressed out in that line. Bro, but I want to see if they are on. Is that land where the grass is where the grass is, or there's water is on that? Cause the minute I saw him turn around, I would jump out and go back on land immediately. But if it's not land, holy smokes. Lightning! I guess it's not, it's a wind. Strong winds.
This is my garbage.
Your what?
Front door, as you can see.
Wait, is that snow? What that?
He's going in for the kill, homeboy. There he comes. I'm gonna run his ass over.
Nah, would not advise doing such things. That's crazy.
Look at the shark, bro. Look at the shark. Look at the shark coming in. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. He's on you, dude. He's on you, dude. He's on you. Oh, man. Look at. Oh, my gosh. Oh! Holy smokes, dude. Did you see that?
Water, Whitchurch, / Rory Griffiths, / water. Flat out, Massey. Oh, I'm gonna get wet here.
Oh, yeah.
this video was very intriguing, bro. It shows us that nature rules, honestly. Nature rules. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.